Chuck Crosby at the Crosby Law Office. Kevin owns a home in Oldham County, Chuck. He's lived there for 5 years. And in this email he sent us, by the way, you can send us an email, bob@WeSellLouisville.com, with your question. He says he has a new family that moved into a house next door. And though they're very polite, he caught at least one of the family members staring into Kevin's backyard. And so Kevin is worried that will they be looking into his windows next? He's wondering, what should he do? What would you suggest from a legal standpoint?
Well, from a legal standpoint, I don't know that there is much you can do other than pull the shades.
Yeah.
If they're sitting there with cameras, focused on your bedroom, well, there may be laws related to stalking and other things. There's also jumped to mind a couple of cases from law school, but related to that sort of thing. But really not a whole lot. How do you prove that they're staring into your house or into your backyard? There's just not a whole lot you can do except pull the shades.
I've got a couple of suggestions. Brad, if you got one, jump in, but a couple might be to put in a privacy
Yeah.
fence. That would be number one. I know that's costly, and that may not be the one that you want to hear. The other thing would be I would put up a couple of cameras, Nest cams. There's a variety of MIGs out there now, and point them out so you can watch and keep a record of them if they're watching you. You get to the point where you may need that to prove
Right, and
that
I'll
there's, yeah.
I'll tell you, Bob, I've gotten phone calls on that.
Hmm.
Oh, hey, look at all those cameras on the outside of the house. Only drug dealers do that.
Oh, really?
What can I do? It's like, well, you can't really hide yourself. There's no screen of invisibility other than, as you mentioned, the privacy fence. But I mean, if you really think they've got photo zoom lenses, focused on you, shut the blinds.
It's simple. That may be it. All you need. Brad, anything you want to add that you
No,
brought in?
no, I've seen people build beautiful privacy screens around decks and patios, probably for that very same reason. But
Yeah, that would be another idea, is to screen it in, right? You better believe it.